Your AI assistant is hallucinating, and it's not broken. It's doing exactly what its training data told it to do. The gap between a chatbot and a reliable tool isn't magic. It's a data problem, and you might be the reason it's failing you. If you treat it like a search engine, you'll get burned. You can't spot the lie if you don't know where the answer came from. You can't fix the bias if you ignore the source. And you're leaving the biggest efficiency lever in your industry on the table. This isn't just about better prompts. It's about whether your workflow runs on reliable insight or confident guesswork. When the data pipeline is opaque, you're just gambling with your output. So what is an AI model actually trained on? And how does that invisible data decide whether it helps you or misleads you? You probably think AI is trained on a secret library of facts, a curated database of human truth. It's not. It's trained on a chaotic scrape of the internet. Think of training like teaching a child to sort laundry. You don't write a rule book for every sock. You show hundreds of examples. The child learns the pattern. AI learns math, not memory. It's building a system for understanding, not just memorization. You're not coding rules, you're coding examples. Early models were tiny. They relied on 1,000 curated examples for specific tasks. Modern frontier models, they process billions of parameters across massive text corpora. Models like GPT-4 and Llama 3 operate on a completely different scale. But scale is only half the story. The way the model eats that data changes everything. Training isn't a single event, it's a pipeline. First comes pre-training. The model ingests massive amounts of unlabeled text. Roughly 90% of foundational data comes from public web sources. It learns grammar, facts, and reasoning patterns. It doesn't know things the way you do. It predicts the next token. Based on context, this builds the foundation for generative tasks, and that's where the model learns to actually talk to you. But raw prediction isn't enough. A text predictor can be rude, wrong, and useless. In a second, I'll show you the exact trick that turns a parrot into a reasoning engine. It's called instruction tuning. Developers use labeled question and answer pairs to guide it. The model shifts from a text predictor to a conversational assistant. This mix gives AI superpowers. But it also creates a specific weakness. The model learns to please you, even when you're wrong. Let's get concrete. What's actually on the menu? Public web pages like forums and Wikipedia, books and literature for depth and style, code repositories teaching programming syntax, scientific and technical literature for math and physics, multilingual text across dozens of languages, and human feedback data. If your training data is biased, the model will be too. If it misses entire languages, the model will struggle. This dictates why models sometimes hallucinate. So what does this mean for your daily work? You might think the data is just scraped text, but the most important data source isn't on the internet at all. Stick around to see the human secret that fixes the model's worst habit. The missing ingredient is alignment. This uses reinforcement learning from human feedback. Human raters rank the model's outputs. They teach the system to prioritize safety and accuracy. The data here isn't scraped from the web. It's human judgment. This step brings the model's behavior in line with human expectations, rather than just statistical probability. This dramatically reduces harmful outputs. It teaches the model to say, "I don't know," instead of making up a lie. Between 2022 and 2024, the industry saw a clear trend. Models stopped being narrow tools. They became general-purpose reasoning engines. AI is a mathematical framework finding patterns in the collective output of humanity. It's shaped by 3 distinct phases of data. The quality of that input dictates everything. Clean, representative data builds reliable reasoning. Gaps create hallucinations. This is why targeted data can turn a general model into a highly accurate predictor. Like those viral videos of AI predicting sports outcomes. It's a perfect case study. Experts like Microsoft are leveraging these applications to build secure, scalable AI infrastructure. The potential isn't just faster chatbots. It's reliable algorithms serving real-world workflows. So what does this mean for your daily work? It means the efficiency lever you left on the table is right here. You're not failing because the AI is broken. You're failing because you're treating a reasoning engine like a search box. AI isn't magic. It's a mirror of the data you feed it. If you want better answers, you need to understand the data pipeline, not just the prompt. Targeted data turns a general model into a predictor, like those viral sports predictions. It's not a chatbot, it's a reliable algorithm. Stop prompting. Start curating data. Trust the source, not the confidence. Now that you know what AI is trained on, you might wonder why models still get recent events wrong. The answer lies in the data cutoff and how models handle the unknown. If you're building with AI in 2025, subscribe for the next deep dive on enterprise workflows and secure infrastructure. That's the full picture. If this made it click, tap subscribe. There's a new AI explainer here every day, and tap the video on screen to keep going. See you in the next one.